Hey everyone, Captain Javi Gonzalez here, and welcome again to another one of my airplane unboxing reviewing updates. Yeah, and today I'm gonna be showing you another one. And you guys will love it. Yeah, so stay tuned, yeah. And give me just a second. Oh, I know the baskets on my planes here. All right, guys. So today we're gonna be unboxing. Yeah. This Hawaiian Airlines airport playset and the old livery. Yeah, yeah. This one's it's gonna be really cool. Yeah, yeah. See all the details. I know, and it's beautiful how it's got its flowers there. Yeah, Hawaiian. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, and right down here. Yeah, it says for H's, 4 and up. Yeah, and and let me see. Yeah, and there's the word Daron. It's got it says the number there is NO or RT2431. Yeah, and it's got showing the playset there. Yeah, yeah, and let me show you the back of the box. Yeah, all right, there's got the plane there, Hawaiian Airlines. Yeah, I know, and it's got other things, all the whole playset there. Also announcing and the back. Yeah, it says Daron right here too. It says www.darontoys.com. Yeah. Yeah, it says right there. It's got warning. Choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 36 months. Yeah, that's alright. Yeah, it's got a warning. Yeah, under 3, from 0 to 3. Yeah, it's got color of consent may vary. Okay, I mean China. Yeah. Yeah, and yeah, and it's got the control tower there. Yeah, well, and now that, let's go ahead and unbox it. And here is the plane. Yeah, you know, sure not sure what's wrong with their stickers. They're not set up right. Yeah, but the plane is super cool. And they love it right there. Yeah, and in the back and the tail there's got the dancer there. Yeah. And it's got, I know that doesn't got no registration number, but only the American flag. Yeah, United States. Yeah. Yeah, it's a super plane model. It's a super cool plane model. Yeah. Yeah, let me see on the right side. Nope, not even. Only the American flag. Hey, on the left side the stickers are set up right. Yeah. Yeah, and they love it there. Yeah, there's a super cool. That's a super cool plane model. Yeah, I know. I also have the new livery. Yeah, I'll be showing to you. So I'll be showing to you later. Showing to you. And well, and so and 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 so- and so that's enough. That's yeah, and so that's enough. Yeah, let's set the plane down on the table. And take out the rest of the other parts. Yeah. Alright, runway sign. And it's got the word. Yeah, and that's 8 left and 26 right. Yeah, sir, the runway, yeah, and it's got and it's got H and L there. Yeah, that's Honolulu International Airport. Yeah, that's the Honolulu International Airport. Yes, you know, because Hawaiian Airlines has its proper headquarters there. Yeah, so that's yes, yeah, and it's and because Honolulu, it's the Hawaiian capital. Yeah, 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 and so yeah, yeah. Let me put the runway sign down. So and take out everything else. Yeah. Buckle up sign. Yeah, yeah, buckle up sign. Oh, come on, stay up, stay up. I'm sorry about that. Yeah. Yeah, and the flag sign. Yeah, really amazing. Yeah, the hat sign. Yeah, the hat sign. Yeah. Yeah. The 2 pair of cones. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and I'll be setting them right here, just in case. Come on, Cone, stay right here. Yeah. Yeah. And and up next we have the arrivals and departure sign. Yeah. Yeah, the catering truck. Yeah, you know, it's like yeah, SS. Yeah, Hawaiian Airlines. Yeah, Hawaiian Airlines. Yeah, on both sides. Yeah. Yeah, and the last one we got taken out. It's the yeah yeah the yeah the yeah the gateway stairs. Yeah, the plane stairs. Yeah, how should I call it? Yeah, the plane door stairs. Yeah, the door stairs. Yeah, yeah. Well, and so yeah, yeah. I'll just put it down here. Yeah. Now there is that. It looks super awesome. I know for this I know just yeah. I know for this plane models, and I know yeah, and I know the this plane models on Amazon. I don't know how much dollar they cost, and I even buy them. I mean on Amazon. Yeah, yeah, and I want to try also to buy them on eBay, cause I want the all liveries and the new and the single plane. I mean the all liveries. Yeah. Yeah, and I don't know how much they cost, how many dollars they cost on Amazon. Yeah, but they look super cool anyways. I know that thanks to and I think so much to my younger brother, who orders them for me. Yeah, and I sometimes and I know I buy them on Amazon, or I buy them on Amazon, and I even sometimes I mean find some when I travel. Yeah, and sometimes I know I even get them for my birthday. Yeah, and for Christmas. Yeah, yeah, and so yeah. Yeah, let me see the box. See if it's, I think doesn't got the registration number there. Nope, only the American flag. Only, nope, only the American. Oh my god, but I think that looks like the Hawaiian flag. Yeah, well, yeah, that looks super awesome. Yeah, yeah, I know. Yes, I see. Yeah, yeah, and I just see the dancer there with a flower, and her hat. Yeah, yeah, and so let me let me let me put the box over here. Box over here. And let me play with a plane. Yeah, I know, sorry, gotta get my fingertips out of the way. Yeah. That looks super awesome. Alright, now they finished loading it up with fuel. Yeah, and putting the foods on the plane. Yeah, and the passengers already finished boarding. And they just finished boarding. Yeah, through the staircase, through the stairways. Stairways. Yeah. Yeah, and so now, yeah, now doors almost closing. Yeah. Yeah, now doors closing. Yeah. All the passengers getting in their seats already. So the passengers finish getting in their seats. Yeah, getting in their seats, fastening their seat belts. Their seat belts. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, now, yeah, now the door finished closing in. Closing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now door closed, and and now all the luggages are on the plane, and yeah, and yeah, yeah. And let's get now getting the yeah no pulling the yeah the stairs. Yeah, now pulling the stairs away from the plane. And the plane now getting ready to roll. Yeah, clear for pushback. Yeah, and yeah, starting up. Fire one. Oh, oh my God, jeez, sorry about that. And yeah, and the plane now pushing back. Yeah, fire two. Yeah, no, just waiting for a signal from the air traffic controller. Yeah, from the H&L ATC. Yeah. Yeah, and Oh yeah, alright, now clear to taxi. Alright now. Clear for takeoff. Yeah. Now over here, when it lands. Yeah. Yeah, now it's got on both sides. On the front door, or in the front right door. Yeah, loading it up. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no, taking the. The catering truck, taking the garbage out and putting more food in there for the other passengers. Taking out the passengers down the plane, and well, other ones coming. No passengers getting on the plane. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Alright now. Yeah. Yeah, now finish getting the snacks on. And all the luggages. And all the storage luggages. Yeah. Well, right now the door's closing, all the passengers are on board, and they're on their seats with their seatbelts on. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and can get the stairs now away from the plane. I'm ready to take off from this side. And now the airport has been turning around. Yeah. Alright, and starting up. Fire one. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and fire two. Yeah, now just waiting for a signal from air traffic controller. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right, now Hawaiian Airlines ready to go. Yeah, clear for taxi. All right, now clear for takeoff. All right now, and clear for landing. Yeah, already taxiing to the gate. All right, and next thing, let me show you. Let me see right here. Yeah, that's when, yeah, when it takes off. Yeah, when it takes off and lands. Yeah, from that side, I know you see the earth. Like if it's going. Yeah, the earth going crooked. Yeah. Yeah, I know on that side the stickers are almost set up right. Yeah. Yeah, I know, and then let me. Yeah. All right, let me show you from the other side. Yeah, I know that's, and I know how to look around check. So yeah, from the left, I know it's in on the left side here. And I don't know how come the stickers aren't set up right, man. But it's super cool model anyways, yeah. So it's nice, yeah. I like that there. Let me see if I could get the sticker set up right. I know. And I know. And the back stickers are set up right. Yeah. I know how come some planes can come like that. Yeah. 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 Yeah, and there it is. Yeah, I almost got the sticker set up right. Yeah. Yeah. That looks nice, yeah. Oh yeah, it's got the thing down here. Well, everyone, that's gonna do it. That's gonna conclude. Yeah, this airport Playset unboxing update. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Please take a moment there. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment down below, and hit the notification bell if you like the video. Yeah. Alright, and most importantly, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching, and most importantly, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, yeah. And I'll maybe see you again tomorrow on another airplane unboxing update, review, or maybe a plane spotting over here in Chicago, yeah, at O'Hare. You know, Hawaiian Airlines should open flights to O'Hare. Yeah, I don't know why they haven't opened, but hopefully soon they open. Yeah, or maybe I'll be maybe tomorrow, yeah, at MDW in Medway. Yeah, the postage stamp. Yeah, the postage stamp. Yeah. All right. Have a great afternoon, everybody. See ya.